Bullish die cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $9.81 by 2030. Market experts accept die could reach $4.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2022 is 80 cents. Die presentation. Die has entered the crypto market as a one-of-a-kind and significant token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the creator convention. Assuming you're interested about the cost of die, look no further. In this die cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be familiar with the cost of die, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value, die cost today, normal figure cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether die is probably going to be a wise venture for what's to come. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed die cost figure. What is die? Die is a cryptographic money resource sent off as the very first security-supported, decentralized digital currency. Die is not quite the same as different monetary standards in the crypto market. Not at all like resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. Die endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the Creator Convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. Die can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation designated in ETH, the local money of Ethereum. How does die function? Collateralized credits are a way for a moneylender to utilize resources they own to get an advance. These collateralized credits have an essentially lower financing cost than customary unstable advances, as moneylenders can seize and sell resources on the off chance that the borrower can't reimburse their advance. Utilizing savvy contracts running on the Ethereum blockchain, the producer convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thus, used to produce new DAI tokens as advances. If a borrower has any desire to recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay a charge and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's inventory can't be adjusted by any gatherings. A proper stock is kept up with through a mind-boggling arrangement of savvy contracts, which answer ongoing business sector changes in the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was authoritatively sent off in 2017 on the producer convention made by the Creator Establishment. The organizer behind Producer Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the undertaking expecting to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out credits. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is administered by MakerDAO, which took over from the Producer Establishment. The DAI token. The MakerDAO network has two local tokens, MKR and DAI. DAI's job as a stablecoin on the organization makes it special from other customary cryptographic forms of money. While customary crypto costs are exceptionally unpredictable, DAI's worth is connected to that of a government-issued money, for this situation, the US dollar. This means the cost of DAI ought to remain nearby or be equivalent to $1 consistently. In any case, this doesn't necessarily occur, and the coin sees cost increments and drops. Notwithstanding, when contrasted in other digital forms of money, DAI's worth is essentially less unpredictable. This component of DAI's cost is fundamental to consider while making a DAI cost forecast. DAI specialized investigation. Any DAI cost forecast needs to consider the extraordinary position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other cryptographic forms of money, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move. However, what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown strong fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and proficiency like other digital forms of money, yet keeps away from the cost unpredictability and inborn gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is a significant token for making a protected speculation and keeping away from high unpredictability periods that storm the open crypto market. Regarding whether or not DAI cost will go up from now on, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can changes, yet its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that in a perfect world, DAI's cost shouldn't vacillate a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an ill-conceived notion for the coin. Be that as it may, DAI's cost could in any case change, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own examination prior to settling on a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is right now worth $1 USD. DAI has moved 0.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $222,473,485. DAI is right now positioned 12 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,894,076,541 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for DAI to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DAI Value Forecast 2022. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The DAI cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.50. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the DAI's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. DAI Value Expectation 2025. Assuming DAI effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2025. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. DAI Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. In the event that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $6.50. Neglecting to assemble the help DAI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6. DAI Value Forecast 2028. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.51 in 2028. DAI Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, DAI will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8.01 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.51, averaging out at $8.21. DAI Value Forecast 2030.